Hello, just here to talk about resetting the zero gravity or the anti-snore button on your remote control. A very easy process, and a lot of people accidentally override it and reset it back to either a flat position or a position that's not anti-snore on one side of the bed, then can't work out why. Very simple process to do. All you do is push the zero gravity on the other side of the remote control. Just push that once, and that will reset the bed back to the zero gravity position. We then get the bed that's not working, not in the zero gravity position. We raise the head up like so to have it the same level as the one beside it on the zero gravity. And then on the foot section as well, raise that up like that. Brings it up to make them the same. So that way we know that's zero gravity. Simple process then, push and hold down the zero gravity button there for 7 to 10 seconds. The lights will light up on the bottom of the remote control, like so. Now that's reset back to zero gravity. So if I push the flat button, the bed will go back down flat. And then a couple of seconds, once it's back down flat, we just push that zero gravity button, just push it once, and that bed will adjust back up to that zero gravity position. And that's exactly the same as the anti-snore, as I said. So as you can see now, both beds, zero gravity. There you go.